third Beit HaMikdash is a spiritual dugma, and it is a physical building, and they will come together. Now when and how, I'm not sure. But where, I do know. It's right down the road here. And when it happens, you're not going to be able to get a ticket. We'll be lucky if we stand in line for a week to get close to the Beit HaMikdash Shlishi. We'll be lucky if we stand in line for a week to get close to the Beit HaMikdash Shlishi.
And stop it. The rabbis tell us that three things come as surprise: the bite of a scorpion, finding a lost object, and the Messiah. They all come by surprise. They all come by surprise. But until you have that personal, internal experience of your own redemptive power, that you're not a victim of this world, and you're not a slave of some pharaoh, and you're not a robot of some program. And when you discover that, you say, I can live now with joy. Right now. Only right now. What will be in 5 minutes, I don't know. Right now, I can live with joy. Right now, I can live with joy. It's something we're going to find inside us. That's what Rabbi Nachman comes along and teaches us. That every person has their spark of the Messiah. That every person has their spark of their Messiah. Every person has their Nikuda of Mashiach, point of soul that unifies with all the other points. Point of soul that unifies with all the other points. The real battle is to never give up. That's all. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. We keep praying. We keep praying. We keep praying. We keep praying. Rabbi Natan, the main student of Rabbi Nachman, he said, I don't know about everybody else screaming for Messiah. I already found my Messiah. And they're like, oh yeah, he thinks Rabbi Nachman's Messiah. He's already been in the grave 20 years and he's the Messiah. No, he's talking about his personal spark of his own divine soul. He found the moshiach. He found the lost object. That spark that's within each of us. That spark that's within each of us. Now, how you live with that spark is very important. And what others say about their spark, or other people's sparks, or he's the Messiah, or she's the Messiah, you know what? It's okay. Just be graceful. Let everybody have their opinion and their way of describing and expressing themselves. Because there's no other way to live in this world except that everybody else have their way and express themselves. But you can have your connection. And that's the most precious thing you have. And that's the most precious thing you have. And we need to find Shabbos too. Find that part of us that rests, but not the exhausted rest of a hard worker after a long week. The rest of the now it's happening. Now we're gonna live the fruits of 6,000 years of creation, 6,000 years of creation.